Oh, we're back. Okay, welcome back. And you're gonna thank us later. Now we're gonna share with you some life hacks that will change your life forever.
Yeah, and these are so simple and yet they're so useful. The first is throat coat. That's what they titled it as. Do you have a sore throat, guys? Eat a marshmallow. Yes, a marshmallow. So the gelatin that is in the marshmallow will coat your throat and soothe it.
What?
If your throat's sore,
Just eat it raw?
a marshmallow. You mean raw?
Like,
marshmallows are sweet.
You don't put it in the fire.
That's when you're making s'mores.
Oh, s'mores. Ah, that's what it is. I was thinking about that.
Oh my gosh.
Throat
Please send somebody a little bit more.
That would help.
Hear this fool behind me laughing.
Okay.
I'm not even going to tell you why he's laughing. Anyway,
All right,
what's the
another
next
one is called a scissor saver. Sharpen scissors quickly by cutting through folded aluminum foil.
Oh, that's cool. Will that work for a knife too, Madam Producer? Can I just take a knife and try and cut through it and then would it sharpen it? I'm assuming that would work. Would it?
That's interesting.
Oh, the next one, rubber bands on hangers. This actually works. You know, like if you have camisoles or things that are slippery and are always falling off the hangers, take a rubber band and wrap it around the end of camisoles.
What does that look like?
I like a tin shirt with spaghetti strap. But women always wear a cami.
Oh, I know it as a cami.
I don't know what I'm doing with women on this show. Yeah, so wrap the rubber band around the corners, the edges of the, and it won't fall off.
This one is called Scoop Smarter.
I think we know this.
Heat up a spoon under hot water before scooping it out.
Anybody who ever got Devanos knows that we know this one. Because them always leave them spoon in the hot water. So just scoop up the ice cream. So that one is pretty easy. Bugs be gone. Keep a cinnamon tea bag near your bed to keep mosquitoes away. All right, I have a serious problem. I think American mosquito and other country mosquito are different from Jamaican mosquito. Because Jamaican mosquito are some vampire.
They will take up that
tea bag. I'm going to make some tea.
Make some tea and come back and bite you. Especially mosquito them in Portmore.
Yeah, man. Them mosquito then will lift you up and carry away. So I don't know how well that is. But if you want to try it, let me know. And you can try it while vape and destroy other things that burn. You have to try it by itself and let me know how that goes.
So the next one is nail DoOver. Need to remove your nail polish but can't find any remover. Apply a top coat and quickly wipe away. Repeat as needed. Oh, so you see?
You take it and you put it on it and then wipe it on. Okay.
If you see your nail is fixed, thank you very much.
Yeah, the nail that extra broke last week. Okifia fixed it. Thanks, Okifia. Sand remover. Remove sand easily by sprinkling baby powder. Oh, like when you go to the beach. Yeah. I was wondering what that meant. How about you just bathe?
Yeah, and baby powder expensive.
How about you just go into the shower?
No, I know a few people
and bathe.
I know a few people who like them
as
kind
in
of
they don't want to put the sand in their car, so they'll do it outside.
Yeah. But
I wonder how that works.
Charge faster. This is something that I've learned when I was in college. Putting your phone into airplane mode while it charges will help you refill the battery twice as fast. That's because when you don't turn it on, when you don't have it in stealth mode, it constantly looks for cell towers, which drains the battery.
Oh, okay. For all of you who like to eat rice but don't like the calories that rice gives you, I think this is very interesting. I don't know how true it is, but let's try. A method presented at the American Chemical Society's national meeting could have the number of calories in your body, that your body takes in from rice. Here's how it's done. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil to the boiling water with half cup of non-fortified white rice. What is non-fortified white rice? Anyway, let it simmer for 20 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes to cook a pot of rice?
No, that. Wait till the next one.
Then refrigerate for 12 hours.
Me must wait so long. Just to cut.
So then when we want to eat it again, what we do? Take it out and hot it up?
Eat the rice.
That is not fresh rice?
Eat the rice.
I try not to eat rice, but you see jasmine rice have me away. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like once a week, I gotta take a, take it. Oh, it have me away.
Eat the rice. Okay, this one though.
There's more?
Use tongue to clean your toilet.
Okay, everybody see my raised hand? I have a question. I have a question.
Yeah.
Tell them why. No, tell them why.
Because the citric acid in the mix makes the drink an extra effective cleaner.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question. If we're gonna use that to clean our toilet, what is it doing to my belly?
Yeah, you can use Pepsi as well.
Again, what is it doing to your belly? I'm just giving you something to think about.
Yeah.
If you can use that to clean your toilet bowl.
That doesn't make sense.
Can that work?
Orange.
I don't know.
Orange flavor. All flavors.
Try.
But tongue, but if it can be used to...
Is that true?
That's not safe. I don't feel safe.
Using it in the toilet?
No, drinking tap.
I don't know about that. I don't know how that can work. I don't know about that. Extend the life of your flowers with a cocktail. Adding a few drops of vodka and a teaspoon of sugar into the water bouquet will delay wilting. I don't know, but I'm going to try that. I don't often get live flowers, but I'll try it.
And the last one is de-stink your washer. Front-loading washing machines can often get a little stinky. Luckily, vinegar can effectively deodorize and clean any buildup. Just run a regular cycle with 1 cup of vinegar and 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil in the detergent compartment.
Or baking soda.
Well, I don't know much about this, but...
Yeah, use baking soda. Or just wash your stuff with baking soda. That way it won't get stinky at all. Yep, that's good. All right, guys.
Some nice little hacks.
Try those things, and if they work for you, let us know. Seriously.
Except one of them.
Which one?
The rice thing.
Yeah, eat your rice. After
rice,
the break,
man.
well, actually, no, don't eat rice. It's not good for you. After the break, we're going to get a lowdown on JN Small Business Loans, Barber, and Beauty.
I must wait 12 hours.
Awesome stylists.
I must wait
We'll
12
be right
hours
back.
to rice.